Hi, I'm Joe with Texans water heaters. We're in the Woodlands. We're replacing a couple of 40-gallon water heaters for a tankless system. If anybody needs an estimate on a water heater replacement, please give us a call, 713-364-4616. We also have a location in Houston at 8302 West Little York, and you're gonna find some of our most common applications. We have a 50-gallon electric, gas, and 2 tankless systems on display. For anybody that's interested, please give us a call. We provide free quotes over the phone, and that's gonna be on tankless and conventional. Right now, going upstairs, and we're gonna take a look at the installation.